Hey everyone! In this video, we'll guide you how to download NordVPN on Samsung TV. Before we begin, I want to let you know that if you plan to install a VPN on your TV, I have placed a discounted link to NordVPN in the description. You can check it out at any time. It takes you directly to a limited time offer. There are a few important things to keep in mind. First, the steps may vary depending on the specific model of your Samsung Smart TV. Second, make sure your device has enough storage space, because without it, you won't be able to download or install any additional apps. It's a good idea to clear up some space if needed. Some Samsung Smart TVs come with access to the Google Play Store, making it easier to download VPN apps directly. In some situations, VPN apps might already be available through the TV's built-in App Store, allowing for direct installation without the need for APK files or other workarounds. However, with certain models, you may need to use an APK file and a flash drive, which you would connect to the back of the TV. The installation process is usually straightforward and doesn't require much technical knowledge. For this demonstration, let's assume we're using a model that allows direct downloads, as many newer Samsung Smart TVs support this feature. Start by opening the browser on your Smart TV and searching for NordVPN or whichever VPN service you prefer. Keep in mind that NordVPN is a paid service. You might notice some minor delays or interface quirks when navigating, but it generally works smoothly. Once the search results appear, you can either go through the Chrome Web Store as an alternative route or simply select the official NordVPN option. For demonstration purposes, we'll proceed with getting the free trial so you can test it out. Since NordVPN isn't free by default, this gives you a chance to explore its features before committing. Select the option to begin the sign-up process. This part of the setup is similar to registering on a computer or laptop. You'll need to create an account and complete the payment. After that, NordVPN can be installed directly onto your Samsung Smart TV. Another method is to configure your router to run the VPN, which then protects all devices connected to your network, including the TV. By the way, if you're interested in trying out my personal favorite VPN that I've been using for over 5 years, check out NordVPN. I've included a link in the description that takes you directly to this limited time offer. It also comes with a 30-day, no questions asked money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk in trying it out. And if you're watching this on your TV, you can scan this QR code with your phone's camera to check out NordVPN.